Hey guys, it's Monet here, and I'm with Fenty Beauty. We're in LA, and we're getting ready for the Soft Lit Foundation launch tonight, and I'm just like shook. I'm so excited. So let's get ready. I'm so excited for it to give glowy, soft lit, radiant, seafoam.
Oh, I love that.
So dope, right?
What are you most excited about tonight?
Hopefully someone's there that like I'm just really excited to potentially meet and like be in the same like air. Breathing the same air as like an iconic queen. Also, I just love being out in LA. Like there's so many mutuals here that I don't get to see since I'm always on the East Coast. So anytime I'm out here and there's like a big party, I think there's gonna be like 200 plus people. So I'm excited to see my girls.
I'm just color swatching to see what.
Ooh, that's a good match.
See which one you like better.
Yeah, I was 390 in the soft matte.
370, but she's too cool.
Yo, I feel so bougie right now.
Like how many
Yeah.
What? That literally melts like butter. That shade matches tea.
385. I got 390 and 400. Let's try 390. I just want to match it. So that's 390. This is 385. 400, just so you can see if it's maybe a little bit more color correcting. Too cool.
Ooh, I do like the brightness from this one though. This one's definitely like a neutralizing, like correcting. I feel like I'd mix these two and probably put this one like around my face. I usually like to like.
Yeah.
Hey guys, y'all ready for the full glamour?
On a little heart.
When you think of soft lit, what type of vibes does it give you?
Golden hour, just glowing sensationally on the beach. It's just giving radiance. Like I feel like I drank all my water. I'm hydrated. Yeah. I love you. Yeah, I love you too.
Your skin is just like bomb, ain't it?
Stop. That's what I'm saying. I'm like the foundation is giving that. Hydrated.
Chocolate, cream, bronze. This one I really like in particular because it has contour undertones versus just warm.
Yeah.
So.
Ooh, I like your placement. We should do sunset blush. Is that what it is? I knew it.
Yup. With your dress, it's just gonna be like that vibe. And then, so that's gonna be underneath, and then the shimmer's gonna be on top, so it's gonna give you that holographic
I'm gonna look
effect.
insane. Literally with the hair snatch too, like. I'm so excited about this.
Sure, like
The sunset blush.
I know what you're
I'm dying to try this trend. What shades are these? Cheeks out?
Yeah, so these are
pink
Chicks
one.
Out Fuego Flush.
Fuego blush.
Daiquiri Dip.
Oh! Daiquiri.
And Bikini Martini.
Oh my god. See, that's one thing about Fenty though. The names always good. What do you guys think? The bun or the inches? Like I feel like I'm torn, but they're both giving. What would you do?
Ooh!
Which way?
I love both. Like, literally both. I love both. Go with your gut. Go with your gut.
What would Rihanna do?
I like it up, but I'm also considering how she's gonna feel when she's posing. Yeah, because if she doesn't feel
Feel it?
herself,
That is true.
She's not gonna pose like
she's
that.
not gonna
Yeah.
give it.
Yeah.
Mama knows me.
Yeah.
Well, I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna finish getting ready. Stay tuned for the final look. We gotta get lit tonight. Do we do ponytail? Do we do bun? I don't know. Let's see. See you later. Oh, hey vlog. We made it. Everyone's freaking out. This is not real. I love it. Let's go inside.
Make some noise for that.